Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox application error, this specific error on your PC. Let's begin. First, I want you to click on your start menu over here and then type date, time settings. Click on it. Make sure set time automatically is turned on, then click on sync now. Once done, close this. Make sure to disable any VPNs you have, all right? Then go back over here, click on the start menu. This time, look for Xbox application. Right click, application settings. Scroll down, click on terminate, click on reset, then click on reset again. So this will be a very quick process. Once done, you can now close this window, refresh, then launch your Xbox and see if everything is now working, if you can log into your account. However, if not, what you can do is go over here, type CMD or command prompt, make sure to run as the admin. Then I want you to run this command, ipconfig space slash flush DNS, hit enter, then netsh winsock reset, hit enter. Once done, you actually need to restart your PC, and once you're back on your screen, go ahead, log into your account. Everything should now be working. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.